Here's why being an appointment setter is one of the best work from home jobs I've ever had. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer Down. In this quick video, I want to talk about how dope being an appointment setter is when it comes to, having a work from home job. Now, I talked about how I've been working for this company for a while now as an appointment setter, and in one of the videos I was talking about, like, a lot of people do not even know about being an appointment setter. Like, I was surprised at how many people never heard of doing this and why this is So if you don't know what an appointment setter does, it's very, very simple. An appointment setter basically is the middleman between a lead and a closer. All right. So when you think about like Facebook, right? You think about like if you actually, put your email in, or you join a group, or you submit some information and somebody start communicating with you, most likely that is an appointment setter. An appointment setter, their job basically is to get the lead warmed up and prepare them for the sale. All right, so appointment setter passes the lead to the closer. It's very, very simple. Why this job is so dope? Because first of all, depending on where you work, who you work for, appointment setters can make some decent money, right? Anywhere from, $2,000 to $5,000 a month an appointment setter can make. Now, the company that I'm currently working for, right? I'm actually with two different opportunities. One is like a commission base where you get really high commissions. So the other company I'm with, I actually get paid hourly, and I get bonuses for every appointment that I set that shows up to the call. Here's some things you should know when it comes to being an appointment setter. So in most cases, you do not have to have any sort of degree or certification to become an appointment setter. All right, that's one thing. The second thing is, especially with a lot of work from home jobs, a lot of people need flexibility. They want to be able to have a schedule that really fits their lifestyle and really benefit them with being able to work from home. So in a lot of appointment setting jobs, you will have some flexibility with your schedule. And another thing is, you can have the freedom to work pretty much wherever you want. Like, for example, the company I'm with now, actually both of them, like, I'm not stuck here. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can get up, walk around. So you can actually work most of your appointment setting jobs from your phone if you want to, or a laptop or whatever. Perfect example, I got to buy me a new laptop in a few weeks, but I'm going to Arizona in about 6 weeks. And when I go, I'm going to be able to do all of my work, right? I'll be able to do both of the jobs I'm doing from Arizona because I have my laptop. You don't have to be like hardwired to your internet and all that stuff. Like a lot of other work from home jobs, they require you to be like, hardwired connection, all that shit. Most appointment setting jobs, you do not have to worry about that, and you can literally have that freedom. You'll have that freedom feeling as an appointment setter, because like I said, I literally am going to be working from Arizona. I could be working from my sister's like backyard, her kitchen, my little room area. Like, I have that freedom. So that is super, super dope. What I think a lot of people don't understand about appointment setting jobs is there are tons of appointment setter jobs out there. Tons of companies that need appointment setters, right? Like, appointment setters are very, very important in a lot of businesses. It's just a lot of people A, they don't even know, they never heard of being an appointment setter. And B, they just don't put in the effort to really find these jobs. I tell people all the time, what you want to do is, if you serious, go to Indeed. First of all, get your little resume put together. You know what I'm saying? Like, just nothing fancy, just get your little resume. Go to Indeed, create a profile. Get on LinkedIn, get a profile. Glassdoor, that website, get your little profile. And take like an hour a day to just look for appointment setter jobs, right? See if it fits what you're trying to do, whatever, schedule wise, pay wise, and apply. Like, it's that simple. If you know anything about me and my channel, you know I'm all about that action. If you take action, 9 times out of 10, you're going to get results. And you're going to get the results, you know, that you want. But you have to take action. If you really want an appointment setter job, you can find one. It might take you, you know, a week or two, but they're out there and you just got to keep on applying, because in my opinion, this is one of the best work from home jobs that I've ever had. And it's something that I plan on doing because the money's there and the opportunity is there and the flexibility is there. And I rock with that. Now, the one company I'm with, I just told you I get paid hourly, plus I get a little bonus for every appointment that's set up. Now, the other company that I was talking about, they give you the opportunity to earn $1,000 commissions just by booking appointments. And you can check that opportunity out right here, right now.